So let's continue. So in that last video, I find out that some part of the video is not playing, which is the edit part of the video is not playing. So I want to quickly go through it. I want to go through it so we can continue. This is just a recap of what we have done before. So let me start from here. Let's call equal to 75. So we are declaring a variable called score. Then we assign a value to it, which is 75. Now let me just explain what is going on here. Now if you are checking if the score, like this is the score, actually the score is 75. That's the highest mark that the person should have. Now you're not checking if the person have, the first condition now is that if the person have a mark that is higher than or that is equal to 90, they tell the person that, or grade the person as a student, grade the person as a student. Now the second condition is that if the person's score is greater than or it is equal to 80, grade the person as B student. Do you get? So the person will not have A because the mark is not up to what? It's not up to 90. Yeah. But don't forget, our normal score we are using to check against the condition is what? Is 75. So that means that 75 is what? Is less than 80. And it is not greater than what? It's not greater than it's not greater than 82. So the result will not be B, the result will be something else. Now the third condition is that if the score is greater than or equal to what? If the score is greater than or equal to 70, give the person as grade the person as C student. Grade the person as what? As C student. So that means that now, but our benchmark score is what? Is 75, which is it slightly equal to 70 and also greater than what? 70. That means we can grade the student as C student. Now this if and else that you are seeing here now, this else that you are seeing here, and this if you are seeing here now, this if that you are seeing here now, they work together. This else and this if, they work together. That says that if none of all these conditions are true, which is this all these conditions are false, you should do what? You should grade the person as as F. So that means that if the person's score is not even up to 70, grade the person as what? As F. Because the last condition is what? The last condition check for 70%. How you are getting it? So this is a conditional statement using if else statement and in conjunction with else if what statement. Now if you get everything correctly and you console.log it, which is you have to put it on the browser, what you now get, you will get something like this. So let me actually um, perform the so what I want to do is, remember I link my JavaScript file to this my HTML file so that I can actually preview it on the browser. So for me to see my JavaScript now, I have to inspect it or go to DevTools. I have to go to DevTools. Another DevTools, I have to go to console. Go to what? I have to go to console. Fail to load resources. The server response with what? 4 condition is not defined. Condition is not defined, which is say condition is not defined. So let me look at the condition it is referring to. Okay, this is the condition it is referring to. So let me, yeah, okay, you are a minor. Great. See, okay, this you are a minor now. You are a minor is for this first condition, which is if the person age is greater than or equal to 18, tell the person that the person is an adult. Whereas if the person age is not greater than or equal to 18, that's if the person age is lesser than 18, tell the person that you are what? You are a minor. So that's that for that. That's why I said if S they work together, one is always true, while the other one is false. The set here has this one too. All this one might be true, while this one will always be what? Will always be false. Do you understand? Now that's why you are seeing C here. You are saying the grade should be what? The grade is C. Now if I turn this one to 90 or 85, look at what will happen. B. Why? The reason is because the condition is what? The variable is the value is what? 85. Now the condition is checking against 85, and you already specify in your code that the score, which is 85 now, in place of the variable now, should be greater than or equal to 80. If it is greater than or equal to 80, it should do what? It should give you B. It should give you B. Do you get? Are you getting it? So that's, but if I turn this to something like 60 now, look at what it will give to me. So give me F. Why? The reason is because this first condition failed. The second condition do what? Failed. The third condition do what? Failed. Now the fourth condition now since all these conditions failed and our variable or our 60 is not up to any of them, it will now give us what? F. It will give us F. I hope you are getting it. All right. Now there's what we call ternary operator. Ternary operator. I hope you are getting it.